Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. Guys, today I am talking about very awesome project on my channel. So before starting their amazing review on my channel, guys, want to say that if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. So guys, let's start the review now. Hey, welcome to Baghdad. So guys, this is very interesting, awesome platform that is coming soon, and it will be coming to pump.funcom, and the official launch of this awesome platform, guys, is on Saturday 23rd November 2024. So you have to just get ready for something special, guys, in the history of cryptocurrency. So before starting their further video, I want to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys, and you have to just grab your bag right now. Here you can see their beautiful profiles on my screen, guys, and there is a more than meme coin. It's symbols of license and strength. So badges embodies license and courage basically, and naturally persistent and ready to face any challenge. And it has now become a symbol for those who never give up, guys. And I have placed all of the official links in my video description, guys. You have to don't skip any part of the video, guys, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You can easily join. It is independent, persistent, and fearless. And guys, Badges faces every challenge head on, never backing down, not even against towards any opponents. And we are with Badges, so you have to power to overcome any of the thing. You have to don't miss this, guys. Join us now for and grab your bag right now. Our major motto is to you have to grab your bag and you have to join the Badger army. So guys, here you can also see our tokenomics, that is 5% for the creators and reserved also for the creators reward for launching and developing Badger. The 5% for the project development too. You have to set aside to fund future development, marketing, and community initiatives. And guys, 90% for public sale made available. You have to just buy, insure, and you have to join our community. So guys, here I will discuss with you their very exclusive roadmap that it will be launched on pump.fun, and the launch of Badger on pump.fun will lay the foundation for the project's dynamic growth, achieving 69k dollars market cap, that as a milestone. And guys, we have to just update our market data, and we have also integrated our platform on very famous exchanges like Dex Screener, Dex Tool, and where will we give the provider investors with detailed market insights. And we will be listing do on Coin Market Cap and GCO2, guys. And after meeting their requirements, we will do their listing on all of these famous exchanges. After that, guys, we have to build a strong community. We are doing a very efforts to growing our community, like on our Telegram. Here you can see we are growing our community. We have to work on this. You have to join this. And guys, this is our Twitter official account. You have to must follow this. And guys, this is on basically Solana blockchain, and this is a Solana based meme coin that is inspired by the mischievous and funny character of the angry badger. Here you can see on my screen the angry profile, but they are looking very thrilling. Here you can see, and guys, here you can check out the crypto post about badger on our Twitter account. So here you can get our all of the updates. Here is landed bet on Alan's reader. So here you can see about post of Alan about Badger, and here is almost all of the our official informations about our awesome platform. Here you can get, you have to must invite your friends and family here. And after that, after our community, we have to promote our campaigns, we have to concerts, we have to do some promotional activities. And guys, we have also do influencers partnerships, we have do strategic collaborations with very famous influencers that are in the crypto, and we have do our plans for our marketing efforts. And guys, after these of all of the listing on the larger exchanges, we will do after we have due increasing our liquidity, we have to making our token more accessible to the investors. And for all of future full of opportunities with clear goals and strategic approach, Badger is on track, and we have to build a project that's combine also their community and innovation. So you have to wise it in worth because it has a fair launch on and novels you have to just chance to become one, and simple economics, limited supply, no inflation, and we are very honest and reliable for the creator focused on the long term success of the project. Early buyers have a chance to change their life changing money, so you are really a step ahead of. And how you have to buy, this is the main things of batch checker is guide. You have to just ready to join our community. You have to create your wallet on Solana, and if you don't have any wallet, so simply you have to install guys Phantom wallet. You have to create your account, then you have to purchase some Solana in your wallet. After that you have to go on pump fund visit, you have to, and then you are connecting your wallet on Solana. You have to paste our official contract address, and in this easy way you can buy. You have to confirm your purchase, and guys you have to review before your transaction details, then you have to confirm after you have to review your transactions. So in this easy way you can buy your token. So grab your bag, and this will be coming soon on launch on Saturday. So you have to don't miss this. You have to just grab your bag. I hope you like my video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching, guys.